togat ni por shwa ba menteri rangba ka jala Meghalaya konrat ke sangma un pentip ba sorkar jala kanumya chekmat ban penia I kasnu uba lambor mangyang MLA bat MDC ka Nongkrem constituency ulawan IT da kchingtho ha menteri rangba ban pendo noi ka Meghalaya regulation of gaming act arjar of way ka Meghalaya regulation of gaming rules arjar of way bat kumchu ban pendo noi ki license kibla aish company na banta ban penia I kasnu ulang ba khta ek jingso wi paidbah no shushnong ban ra I kasnu bakatahi ka digasur ka lami ban kersyalang bud paidbah kamta ma jala Meghalaya ka bagi nong shong ki bakhambuan ki dai ki kristan.
We had a very fruitful discussion after I have briefed the friends from the media since yesterday, and today I have discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister, and I have met him also, and then he has given his time, and I have already submitted the memorandum that for the time from today itself they should scrap the casinos that was going to implement in our states. And nice to hear that the response from the Honorable Chief Minister, it was a very positive steps. So this is my message.
By positive, you mean he agreed to it?
He agreed to it, yes. He agreed to it, and then he will make his announcement very shortly. He'll give a press briefing maybe after an hour or two. But then we had a fruitful discussion, myself, Bahamlet Dolling, along with the Chief Minister. No, we have to go with the voice of the people. This is the message. And people are confused. So this is the reason why, as I've stated yesterday, I told very clearly that we have to go along with the voice of the people. There is a resentment from the public at large. So we have been elected by the voice of the people, so we have to go along with the voice of the people.
And what is that voice?
No, the voice of the people is that they oppose setting up of casinos. No, the main reason is we don't want casinos in our state. This is the main reason. We don't agree setting up of casinos in our state. No, we don't believe, we population in our state is, we have a vast population, we have different religions, we have the population in our state is more or less 80% are Christians. We have been able to generate funds in many years. Way back, we are running now 51 years. We are on the verge of 51 years. So we have seen the revenue generated, from the tourism. It's huge. So we don't see anything that kind of revenue that will be collected from the casinos, because casinos means high-profile people. So how many of the high-profile people will visit our place? So this is our message. We don't want the casinos. This is the main objective, and we stand by the voice of the people of our states. No. See, my thought is very clear that we have raised our objection from day one, and they have ensured that we will not go ahead with this, and to scrap all the 3 licenses. This is the message.